everybody, Dr. Courtney here. Thank you so much for tuning in and welcome to my science experiment. Video, we're going to be testing two products to see which one cleans the aligners better. This week in my practice, I've been collecting my patients' gross looking, not so clear aligners. And what we're gonna be doing today is we're actually gonna be testing what is a better way to clean these aligners. So we're gonna put it to the test. Each set has two aligners, an upper and a lower, and we're gonna split it. And we're gonna basically do three little samples and compare them. So here we go. Okay, so I have one of them already kind of in some aligner foam. Now, do you really need to use this much aligner foam when you're doing it at home? No, but again, for science, like why not? Other one we're gonna do is a retainer Brite tablet. Take a full tablet, drop it into a baggie. We're gonna add a little bit of water. You can see how this is slowly starting to fizz. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to ensure there's enough water that covers the full aligner. We're gonna drop that half here. Both of these are gonna be soaking for a time period of 1 hour. Here's the foam, and here's that. I'm excited to compare the results with you. All right, guys, and we are back. It has been approximately 1 hour since this experiment began, and now what we're gonna do is kind of drain these and do some side-by-side comparison, so stay tuned. All right, so what is the verdict? What is the winner? What gave the better result? Drum roll, please. It is the aligner foam, and to be honest, I'm not surprised, one, because I stand behind this product, but two, studies have been coming out that reveal that chemical cleaners are a little bit more effective than your tablet cleaners with cleaning aligners and retainers. This experiment was obviously just soaking these in retainer Brite or the aligner foam for 1 hour, but imagine if you did these things every night. My recommended use for this is put this in your aligners at nighttime or your retainers every night before you put them in and go to bed, and you're gonna slowly see an additive effect, not only in the cleanliness of the retainers and the aligners, but also in the whiteness of your teeth as well. My recommendation, if it comes to what is better to truly clean everything, we're gonna go with the aligner foam. All right, so I like to tell everyone, share your smile with the world.